It looks like a new Doggy Go archaeologist has joined the dig.
Hey!
Could Doggy Go have made an ancient discovery?
What have you got there, Doggy Go? A dinosaur bone? In my garden? No way! Dada, come look! We found a dinosaur bone. Huh?
I think you found what Doggy Go's been looking for. His chew toy.
Oh. Go get it, boy.
Fetch, Doggy Go, fetch! What else has Doggy Go found buried in that hole?
Maybe this is a...
Hammer! I was wondering where my hammer was. Oh, looks like there's something else in there.
Oh, what could it be?
Finally, an ancient artifact.
An ancient roller skate?
Well, I have been looking for this missing roller skate for a long time.
Haha, no rest for Doggy Go.
And I may not have found any dinosaur bones, but I have my very own Digosaurus.
Will that dog ever stop digging?
Not again, Doggy Go.
No, I'm fine. Really. I just didn't sleep well last night. This strange whistling sound kept waking me up.
Whistling?
The whistling could be coming from your ears, Dada Go. I'd better examine them.
What did it sound like, Dada?
Well, it was sort of whistly, like this.
That sounds like your special whistle, Dr. Kind.
So it does. In fact, it sounds just like Whistler.
And that could mean...
Why, the Dr. Kind was whistling in our back garden?
No, Dada. The noise could be from Dr. Kind's pet bird.
Yes, Whistler loves to whistle, even at night.
Maybe he flew to our house when he got away.
Oh, do you think he could still be there?
It's worth a try. Let's go.
They'll have to hurry to Maya's house. Let's hope Whistler hasn't flown away again.
There he is! Whistler!
I'll call him down with my special whistle. Oh, no, my whistle. I was in such a rush I forgot it. How am I going to call him down now?
Maybe we could whistle the tune together.
Good idea, Maya. Let's give it a go.
Yay! We got Whistler back.
Thanks to you, Mya Go. From now on, I'll keep a close eye on Whistler, so he won't be keeping Dada Go awake anymore.
I don't think that will be a problem. Ooh. Look at all the amazing fish. I've never seen so many colors. Do you know fish can breathe underwater?
That's right, Maya. Unlike people, fish get air from the water in their fish tank.
Fish just swim and swim and swim. Don't they ever get tired?
Yes, they do, Maya.
Do they go to bed? Story time.
Time for bed after a long day swimming about. Night-night, little fishy.
Fish don't have bedtime stories, Sammy.
And they don't sleep like we do either. When they get tired, they just stop swimming and stay still for a while.
That's amazing. I wonder how you keep a pet fish happy. Maybe they like to play the piano.
I don't think fish would be very good at playing piano, Maya. Now, there are only two things you need to do to look after a pet fish. The first is to feed it once a day.
Chips.
No, Sammy, they don't eat chips. They eat fish food. You just sprinkle a few flakes in their tank every day.
What's the second thing you need to do, Grandpa Care?
You need to keep the tank and the water clean. You see, a fish tank is a fish's home.
Fishy have house?
Nothing like a good spring clean.
Clean, clean, vroom, vacuum.
And I don't think vacuum cleaners come in goldfish size.
How do you keep the fish tank clean, Grandpa Care?
You have to change the water regularly and scrub out the fish tank.
That sounds like a big job. I'm not sure Maya and Sammy would have time for that.
We already have to take Doggy Go for a walk every day.
Oh, you've dropped the ball, Doggy Go. Here comes trouble.
Doggy Go!
No running, no diving, no dogs.
There goes that ball again. And there goes Doggy Go.
Doggy Go! You're breaking all the rules. Oh no! Doggy Go! Don't pull the...
Slug?
Oh no!
Poor Doggy Go has got himself stuck in the pool.
It's okay, Doggy Go. We'll get you out of there.
Auntie Help will know just what to do.
I'm coming to help. Come on, Doggy. Let's get you out of here. It's too high. I can't reach.
Now the pool is empty. The ladder's too short.
If only we knew someone who had a long ladder.
But we do, Dada.
Who would have a ladder long enough in every day?
Mama, help.
Of course, Mama help. I'll give her a call. Fire!
Everyday fire station. How can I help?
RTÉ Help here. We need a fire engine. Can you help?
I'm on my way.
No time to wait when there's a fire. Mama Help has finally arrived.
That was quick.
Stand back, everyone. I'll have the fire out in no time. Oh, where is the fire?
No fire, but Doggy Go and Auntie Help are stuck in the pool. The ladder is too short.
I see. A good thing I brought mine then. Commencing Operation Doggy Rescue. Now let's get you out of here.
Thank you, Mama Help.
Don't mention it. I'm always happy to help.
Hello, Sammy.
I'm Shadow Bunny.
And a woofing rascal.
Look out, Bunny Shadow. It's a shadow doggy.
It looks like Doggy Go has heard a noise.
They're only shadows, Doggy Go.